Welcome back, folks. Deutschland Dan here. Just having an early lunch. It's 11:30 on Monday, July 11th, 2022. So, we're getting back up with the roof. We're going to try to finish today. Get the weather buds installed. On the south side, around the chimney and that. Patch up some of the ridge lines. George was out back trying to do the weed whacker, but the one of the cords, the cables got from the coil, got wrapped around it, and then you can't take the cap off, so they had to go over to Brothers, try to get that repaired and show them how to do it so we can fix it. And then, yeah, probably need a new coil as well. So they're going to do that, and then just so happened that Vince's nail gun died on him, so he's got to go over his brother's. So they're gone for now. Get a new nail gun as well. Probably just get a new weed whacker. I mean, Amazon Prime days are the next couple of days, so might be able to get a deal on that. And then I'll come back ready for lunch. I'm just having this early right now. I got Vince's spaghetti as well for later. And man, this is dry. I usually prefer the dark meat, so it's greasier and tastier. And the chicken breast is just, yeah. I'm having a cold because can't be bothered nuking it in the microwave. Yep, so I'm just getting ready to get back on the roof, and hopefully it's not going to be like fucking Satan's taint the other day. Alright, it's like working in hell, roofing in hell, huh? So, it's Deutschland Dan, sign off. Peace out. Oh, still recording. I thought I had to stop it. Peace out. Stop, you bitch.